Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video guys, meron tayo ditong property along highway malapit sa Tagaytay. If naghahanap ka ng commercial property na merong business permit, may building permit, complete papers, iyan guys, binibenta na tong Kupita Cafe. 300 square meter for only 20 million siya guys. Kasama na yung kanyang business permits, yung coffee machines worth 500,000 din yon. Tapos yan, yung 3 floors yan guys. May basement, may main floor, at may second floor. Tapos yung parking yan. 300 square meter ang kanyang total lot area. If hanap nyo naman is lot for business, for commercial. Ayan guys, meron tayong 600 square meter. Ayan o, nandun lang. For only 5.5 million guys. Free transfer title, no? Ayan, nalapit sa highway. Pwede nyo gawin for business, gawin for parking ng mga car, buy and sell, or mga warehouse for rent. Bawa, JNT, Lazada, Shopee, pwede nyo siyang gawin. Or for Airbnb property. If hanap nyo naman guys is residential, for retirement. Ito guys, naka-promo, 100 square meter house and lot. For only 2 million guys, ganyan na po yung magiging itsura pag tapos na po yan. 100 square meter lang. And it's only 5 minutes from Tagaytay, located at Barangay Galicia 2. So, ayan guys, no? Yan yung sa 2 million guys. 1 million down payment, 1 million pag turnover, deed of sale signing. So, dito naman, meron tayo dito, 300 square meter po, no? Corner lot yan. Titled with approved plan, ayan, no? So, gagawin natin yung house na yan with pool for only 8 million. Pag walang pool, 7 million. Ang kanyang terms is down payment, only 3 million. 4 months gagawin yung house. If house lang, 1 million every month. 4th month, turnover, deed of sale signing. And then, yun yung gagamitin pang transfer ng title. Yun dun sa 2 million, guys, hindi kasama. Yun dun sa may kaninang 2 million house nila, hindi po kasama yung transfer title. Okay? So, ayan guys. Ito yung isa natin ginawang bahay. Yung dalawa na yan. Mga 3 years ago, yung may pool. Airbnb nila yan guys. Napakagandang opportunity to earn for retirement. At the same time, ginagamit. Ito guys, 2 million din to. 100 square meter house and lot package. Ayan, no? So, 1 million down payment. 1 million pag turnover. Okay? So, deed of sale signing. Tapos tira nyo na yung property. Yung ating pong property is with electricity, water. And very cold weather, no? Ayan guys, ang daming bahay. Yung mga bahay na nakita nyo dyan, mga na-turn over na natin yung na houses, no? Ito naman, yan, yung corner house na yan, 200 square meter yan, yung lot niyan, no? Para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung gaano ba kalaki yung 200 square meter, no? Ayan, ito yung mga houses na yan, nasa baba. Ayan, mga na-turn over na natin sa clients, yan. Tapos dito, ayan nga, yung dito sa my right side na 600 square meter, if hanap nyo, lot na may small house, na may CR na yan. So, pwede nyo gawin yan guys, no? For business talaga. For only 5.5 million lang yan guys. If hanap nyo naman, ito guys ito, para sa mga retirees. Ayan, naghahanap ng cold weather. Dito guys, nagfa-fog dito, no? Ito, gusto nyo nang mag-retire. At the same time, kumikita yung inyong investment. Ito, para sa inyo, 172 square meter with approved plan, with building permit. Gagawa natin ng ganyang building. Pwede yan for commercial, yung sa baba. Tapos yung sa taas, 4 na residential for rent nyo. Tapos tira nyo yung sarili nyo na isang unit para tirahan nyo, no? 8 million lang natin binibenta yan, guys. Ang kanyang down payment is only 3 million. So, 4 months to 5 months gagawin yung house. 1 million every month. 4th month, 5th month turnover, deed of sale signing. Ayan naman guys, 300 square meter lot. Ito po yung nilagay natin yan. For only, ayan guys, house and lot. For only 5 million po, ganong house yung gagawin natin. 2.5 million down payment, 5 months gagawin yung house. Okay? 300 square meter po yan. Ayan guys, ayang brown na yan na backhoe na natin yung lote na yan. So, ready for construction na yan. Titled with approved plan. Ito guys, meron tayo dito isang slot, 2 million package. Ayan siya guys. So, perfect na perfect. Kung hanap nyo lang sakto ang budget, ayan na po siya. Pagtapos na, no? So, ngayon naman, if hanap mo naman is mga 1,000 square meter or 500 square meter na lot. Ayan, guys, If hanap nyo yan, meron tayo dyan for only, yan. Kung cash, 6.5 per square meter. Kung naman, installment, Ayan, 2 years to pay, 30% yun down, 70%, 2 years to pay, 2 years to pay, 0% interest. 7.5 per square meter lang yan, guys, no? Perfect na perfect. 5 minutes from Tagaytay lang yan, okay? So, ayan. Yung mga ibang house dyan, per turnover na yan, no? Kung makikita nyo. And dito, wala po tayong flooding. And gagawan din yan ng mga cemented road with drainages, syempre. Ayan, may mga electricity, water na din yan. Ito yung ba naman nating mga clients. Ayan, no? So, dito, may makikita kayo dito sa taas banda na clients. Ito, client natin, no? Yun, no? Binabakod natin yung binabakuran yung kanilang 1,700 square meter lot. Ayan, no? So, ayan. Shout out kay ma'am and sir, no? Ayan. Binili nila guys yung lot. Tapos, yan, pinapabakuran. Tapos, sa future, gagawin nila parang ano yan, rest house, no? So, napakaganda guys. Ayan, nagkita nyo, nagfa-fog. Oh, ayun, nakita sa drone. Ayan. So, yun guys, ha? If you are interested, message lang kayo sa Viber, WhatsApp natin. Tapos, kung hanap nyo lang, gusto nyo house and lot, meron kayong design on your mind, pwede rin naman natin siyang gawin, no? Pero, syempre, ang package natin is standard finish. Per square meter, 25,000 per square meter. Kung semi-elegant, 30,000 per square meter. So, yun. Magdedepende sa floor area of your house. Ganyan po. So, pwede. May architect tayo, civil engineer. So, kung ano naman yung mga kailangan nyo, meron naman tayo mga tao na pwede kayong guhitan, no? Sa inyong plano. Pero kung sakto-sakto lang yun yung budget, pwede pa rin natin yan gawin, no? Para ma-achieve yung inyong pangarap na property. Malapit sa Tagaytay, no? So yun guys, message lang kayo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And this is John Critch. There's my Viber. Till the end, I will show you the housing lot package natin. Ito yung palengke ng Mendez, Cavite. Just around 5 minutes from Tagaytay. Ayan yung public market. And ayan lang yung ating mga property. Andun lang sa likod guys. And now, ipapakita ko kung gaano siyang kalapit sa Tagaytay. Kita nyo naman yung drone ko guys, ha? Ang layo, kaya niyang umabot up to 8 kilometers from where I am. So ito guys, yung McDonald's, yan yung sakaya ng bus sa tabi, going to Pasay. And if you are from Manila, sakay ka dyan sa bus terminal na yan, going to Tagaytay Mendez. And then baba ka dyan, sakay ka na ng Bokyo, going to the property. So yan, ito rin yung hospital, katabi lang ng McDonald's guys. Ayan, napakalapit lang. So, nasagot na natin yung tanong nyo, palengke, check. Transportation check, and syempre yung ating hospital at dyan, pag tumagos ka dyan sa Tagaytay boundary na yan, andun ka na sa barangay Patutong Malaki ng Tagaytay City. So just around 5 minutes lang talaga siya, literally from Tagaytay. So yung property is andito lang siya guys, puntahan natin. I will show you. Ito siya along Barangay Road. So ayan, pakita natin sa inyo guys. Ang landmark ng ating property, search nyo lang is Kupita